If you need to recover your FuboTV account but no longer have access to your email, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the FuboTV login page. Go to the FuboTV website and click on the login option. This will take you to the page where you can enter your account details. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your account information. You will be prompted to enter your account information, such as your username or phone number associated with the account. Fill in the required fields to proceed. Step 4. Choose alternative recovery options. Since you don't have access to your email, look for alternative recovery options. This may include receiving a verification code via SMS to your registered phone number. Step 5. Follow the verification steps. Once you receive the verification code on your phone, enter it as prompted. After verification, you should be able to reset your password and regain access to your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to FuboTV customer support for further assistance.